A waterproof substance makes their feathers waterproof, so not a drop sticks to them. Water actually slides over them. This waterproof feature has another function. Prevents water from reaching their skin during the hours and days these birds spend in water. Thanks to this waterproof substance, they float and swim underwater and remain dry inside. Their waterproof lotion is generated by some special glands they have near their tail. When they produce it, they rub their heads in it and then spread it all over their bodies.